All right, I told you social studies yesterday. We started with a new lesson. Page number 46. Page number 46, children. Our festivals. And yesterday we did the first two pages, almost we finished. We did the types of festivals. There are three types of festivals: religious festivals, national festivals, and other festivals. Religious festivals are those festivals that are celebrated by the people of the different religion. And yesterday we did religious festivals. National festivals are those festivals which are celebrated by everyone in the country. And other festivals, you have some festivals like Children's Day, Teachers' Day. We celebrate these festivals also. So yesterday when we did religious festivals, we had done the festival of Diwali, the festival of Holi, then Christmas, Guru Parv, and Eid. I told you Diwali is also known as a festival of lights, and it is celebrated by the Hindus. Then the festival of Holi, it is also known as a festival of colors. This is also celebrated by the Hindus. Then we have Christmas, which is celebrated by the Christians, and it is celebrated on the 25th of December. Then Guru Parv, it's a festival of the Sikhs, 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 to mark the birthday of Guru Nanak. The Sikhs go to Gurdwara and pray. Then Eid, it's celebrated after 30 days of fasting, the Ramzan month. Yes.
मैम गुरु पर्व को गुरु नानक जयंती भी कहते हैं.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right. Then Eid is celebrated after the month of Ramzan, and a special dish is cooked on that day. I told you that is called Sevai. On Christmas, people make cakes. Plum cakes are made. They decorate their house. Santa Claus comes and gives gifts to the children. Then people go to the church to pray, to offer prayers. The Muslims go to the mosque to pray. Now, I hope yesterday you read the lesson very well. Give me a thumbs up. Did you all read the lesson yesterday? Arjun, Arnav, Vikhyat, Hania, Manvi. All of you keep your cameras on so that I can see you. Hania?
मेरा कैमरा ऑन. मैम मेरा कैमरा ऑन है. मेरा भी कैमरा ऑन है.
अर्नब,
मेरा भी कैमरा.
अब आपका कैमरा ऑन हुआ है अर्नब.
मैम मेरा भी कैमरा ऑन है.
नो ऐश्विका. अर्जुन.
मैम यू कैन सी मी.
नो ऐश्विका, अब आप दिख रहे हो बेटे. अर्जुन, नाउ आई कैन सी यू. अब आप फोन टच मत करिएगा. हानिया, नाउ सिट स्ट्रेट.
ओके.
Arjun, again you have disappeared.
मैम कैन सी मी. मैम कैन सी मी.
No.
मैम कैन सी मी.
Arjun, now I can see you. Now you sit like this only.
मैम कैन यू सी मी.
Manvi, now I can see you.
मैम नाउ कैन सी मी. Ma'am, I can see me. Ma'am, you can see me. Ma'am, now can see me.
Now, Vikhyat and Hania, I can see you.
Ma'am,
Now
you
sit
can
like
see
this.
me.
Vikhyat, Hania, sit straight. Hania, sit
Okay,
straight.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Manvi, again you have disappeared. Arjun, Hania, Arnab, Abdul, Arish, Sayansh, everybody's cameras are off, children. If I cannot see you, then that means who am I teaching?
मैं
Please switch on your cameras. No, I
कैमरा
That is called
मैम
langar.
लंगर
That is called langar. अभी आपको मम्मी ने आंसर बताया. इसका मतलब आपने कल लेसन रीड नहीं करा था. और अभी I was just explaining to you before we started. So you have to pay attention. You don't have to keep playing with the phone buttons, Arish. And you all have to read the lesson, children. आप लोग reading अगर नहीं करेंगे तो आपकी reading की practice नहीं होगी बिल्कुल. You have to read the lesson. Okay, now moving forward, today we are going to do national festivals. Page number 48. National festivals are celebrated by every Indian. All the Indians in the country, they celebrate these national festivals. And let's see what are these national festivals. Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. India got freedom on this day from the British rule in 1947. Now, our country, India, was earlier ruled by the Britishers, the foreigners who were ruling over here. So, हमारे country के कुछ leaders ने बहुत मेहनत करके हमारी country को freedom दिलाया. और ये freedom हमें कब मिला था? On 15th August 1947. Now what happens on this day? Let's see. The Prime Minister hoists the national flag at the Red Fort on this day. हमारे जो country के Prime Minister है वो Red Fort पे हमारा national flag को hoist करते हैं, that is झंडा फहराते हैं. And we sing the national anthem Jan Gan Man. Our national anthem is Jan Gan Man and national song is Vande Mataram. We sing these two on the National Festivals Day, that is on Independence Day. Vande Mataram is your national song, children, and Jan Gan Man is your national anthem. Very important, you need to learn this up. ये आपको आना चाहिए. आपका national song country का कौन सा है और national anthem कौन सा है. Then the next national festival we have is Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January. On this day, India became a republic. A parade showing the cultures of India is organized in Delhi on Rajpath. Now, in Delhi, parade is taken out. People from all the children participate in this from different schools. And then there are different wings of the army that participate in this. They all give a nice show. आपने लखनऊ में देखा होगा रिपब्लिक डे की परेड. 26 January is celebrated as Republic Day in our country. And on this day, what happened? Our constitution came into force. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मीन्स जो हमारे कंट्री को गवर्न करने के लिए रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस बने थे वो प्रैक्टिस में डाले गए थे कि अब हम इनको फॉलो कर सकते हैं. और ये कब हुआ था? 26 जनवरी को. इसलिए 26 जनवरी हम लोग के लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट डे है. एंड ऑन दिस डे ऑल्सो द नेशनल एंथम, द नेशनल सॉन्ग, पीपल लाइक टू हियर द नेशनल सॉन्ग्स. बहुत लोग अपने घर में अपनी कॉलोनीज में फ्लैग होइस्टिंग करते हैं. देन दे सिंग द नेशनल एंथम, दे सिंग द नेशनल सॉन्ग. बहुत से लोग परेड देखने जाते हैं रोड पर. हमारे कंट्री में, हमारे कंट्री में आर्मी, नेवी एंड एयरफोर्स में जितने लोग हैं, दे ऑल्सो पार्टिसिपेट एंड दे पुट अप अ ब्यूटिफुल परेड फॉर अस टू सी, जिससे हमें देख के पता चलता है हमारी कंट्री में क्या क्या है. They also show the weapons. In Delhi, they show the weapons also in the parade. Delhi parade में बहुत सी चीजें दिखाई जाती हैं. Now this year you can watch the Delhi parade on TV. Then you will see उसमें क्या क्या दिखाया जाता है Delhi parade में. Alright, you'll come to know a lot about your country, children. Another national festival is Gandhi Jayanti. Now, all of you must have heard about Mahatma Gandhi. Have you heard about Mahatma Gandhi? नाम सुना है? Give me a thumbs up अगर नाम सुना है. Okay. Mahatma Gandhi, he was also known as the father of the nation. और बच्चे उनको प्यार से बापू बोलते हैं. All of us in fact call him बापू. He was a very great man. He was a one जिन्होंने हमारे कंट्री को फ्रीडम दिलाने के लिए बहुत मेहनत करी थी. And his birthday is on the 2nd of October. 2nd October is his birthday, children. उनके बर्थडे को हम लोग गांधी जयंती के नाम से जानते हैं. And it is our national festival. It is one of our national festivals. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. On this day, Mahatma Gandhi was born. He fought for India's freedom. हमारी कंट्री के फ्रीडम के लिए उन्होंने बहुत मेहनत करी, बहुत संघर्ष करा है. Now these are the national festivals. ये हमारी कंट्री में all the Indians are जो हमारी कंट्री में रहते हैं. So all the Indians, all the people who have got the citizenship of India, we all celebrate these national festivals. Then you have other festivals. Other festivals we have Teachers' Day and Children's Day. Teachers' Day we celebrate on 5th September. Roshni, don't talk, pay attention. Teachers' Day we celebrate on 5th September. Shanavar, when do we celebrate Teachers' Day? Shanavar?
Yes, ma'am.
When do we celebrate Teachers' Day? अभी मैंने बताया. Because you were talking to somebody over there, you did not pay attention. Roshni, when do we celebrate Teachers' Day? Roshni?
Ma'am, 5th September.
5th September, yes. Shanavar, have you got it? We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September. Now pay attention and don't talk. So, children, we celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September. और हम लोग 5th September को क्यों मनाते हैं Teachers' Day? Now listen to that very carefully. 5th September is the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was born on this day. Now, who was he? He was one of the presidents of India and he was a very learned man. He was a teacher. A very learned man. So, हमारी country में उनको respect देने के लिए we celebrate Teachers' Day on the 5th of September. Right? And we celebrate this day, we honor our teachers, we respect them. Then we have Children's Day. Children's Day. We just celebrated Children's Day on the 14th of November. Abdul, where is Children's Day celebrated?
Ma'am, 14 November.
14 November. Okay. Now, Hania, do you know why we celebrate Children's Day on 14 November?
14 November.
14 नवंबर को हम लोग चिल्ड्रंस डे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. क्यों करते हैं? हानिया, 14 नवंबर को हम लोग चिल्ड्रंस डे क्यों सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? Okay, now I will tell you. Okay, I will tell you. We celebrate Children's Day on the 14th of November because on this day, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born. Now, who was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru? He was our first Prime Minister. He was the first Prime Minister of your country, India. And he was very fond of children. उनको बच्चे बहुत पसंद थे. इसलिए उनके बर्थडे पर हम चिल्ड्रंस डे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. एंड चिल्ड्रन लविंगली कॉल हिम चाचा नेहरू. बच्चे उनको प्यार से चाचा नेहरू बोलते हैं. अरिष्ट, क्या बोलते हैं पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू को बच्चे प्यार से?
चाचा नेहरू.
चाचा नेहरू. ओके. नाउ Arnav, when is Gandhi Jayanti
Yes, ma'am.
celebrated? अभी हम लोग ने पढ़ा ऊपर 2nd October. 2nd October we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, Ahmed, when do we celebrate Children's Day?
जी मैम.
When do we celebrate Children's Day?
14 November.
14th November, that's right. Okay, Arjun, when do we celebrate Teachers Day?
Yes, ma'am.
When do we celebrate Teachers Day?
5th September.
Okay, fine. We celebrate on 5th September. That's right. All right. Vikhyat, when do we celebrate Independence Day? 15th August.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 15th August. That's right. So now, children, today what you're going to do is, welcome. Ahmed, put those pencils down. Today, you will read the full lesson. Today, you will read the full lesson very nicely, children. Tomorrow in class, I am going to make you read one by one. So, आज आप इस lesson को अच्छे से reading करेंगे. Tomorrow, I am going to make you read in class. Make sure you give it a good reading. I'll ask you questions also. Lesson की reading अच्छे से आज करिएगा. Okay, all of you will read it. Now, with that, we come to the end of your class. Join your hands, close your eyes for the prayer. Oh God, thank you for giving me another beautiful day in my life. Thank you for the lessons I have learned today, the friends I have met. Thank you for the love and care I have received from my companions, the teaching and friendship I have received from my teachers in my class. Hear this prayer and give me always a grateful heart for your love's sake. Amen. So
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice